Thinking it's time to permanently close your Revolut account? Let's get it done quickly and securely together. First, open the Revolut app on your phone and log into the account you wish to delete. You must be on the account's home screen with your balance visible. Now tap on your profile picture or icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the main settings menu. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this menu. You're looking for a section labeled Help, and within that, you'll find an option called Delete Account. Tap on Delete Account. Revolut will now guide you through a series of screens. They will ask you to confirm your identity and state your reason for leaving. This is a standard security step. You will be presented with important information about what account deletion means. Read this carefully. As closing your account is permanent and irreversible, you'll need to check a box to confirm you understand. Finally, you will see a final confirmation button, often in red, that says Delete Account or something similar. Tap this button. You may receive a final pop-up asking if you are sure. Confirm your choice. Once confirmed, the deletion process begins. You should receive an email from Revolut confirming that your account is scheduled for closure. Your account and all associated data will be permanently removed from their platform. And that's it. You've successfully initiated the permanent deletion of your Revolut account, ensuring your financial data is securely removed. Thanks for watching.